Hello everyone. So this is going to be a short tutorial on how to fix the trees going up and down while Nanite is enabled. And we're also going to show you how to edit the pivot point. And to get started first, we cannot edit it in the PCG because all of this is PCG. And to fix this, we first need to understand the issue. The issue is quite simply Nanite. And if we disable Nanite, the trees will behave normally. There will be a tiny bit wind to them, but they're still in there, some of them. But anyhow, let's enable Nanite again. And now the issue is back. So to fix this, we need to open the material. The easiest way to fix this is to simply drag out and figure out which tree it is. So in this case, it's this tree. And I happen to know it's this one. So we double click it. And then we go to the material slots and we click on the leaf material instance. And then we click here on the parent. And that takes us to the material. The other way to do it is to open the content browser and go to the folder where the material is and simply open it that way. And now here we have the material. In this case, we need to follow this world position offset, go down, and we need to find object pivot point. Double click on this and it will take you to transform position. Click on that one, expand it, click on the source and change it from local space to instance and particle space. Click apply and save. You can save the material as well. And now the trees aren't going up and down. But still these trees are up in the air. So the easiest way is to simply drag out a tree that's causing the issue. Drag it out and simply drag it down to the ground. And then modeling, X-form, edit pivot point, and drag it slightly below the ground. Around there. And now you can see the trees are down in the ground. And everything should work fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just remember you can't edit the PCG itself. If there is a static mesh issue, it needs to be done outside the PCG. In the next video, I am thinking of making a short video of how to make a seamless texture. Like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.